I told you this was a good idea. I wonder what Olaf is doing. Ah, ah, ah. Achoo! A little help, guys. Oh, Olaf, we fixed you. There you go. I don't have a carrot. I fixed that. Ah, much better. So what are you ladies doing today? Elsa says you want to build an ice castle. An ice castle? Yes. And this is perfect spot. And now for the castle. Whoa! Come on in! Oh look, ice cream! This is amazing, Elsa. Oops, I forgot the stairs. This is pretty amazing. Thank you, Anna. I wonder where Olaf is. Oh, Olaf, there you are. This place is pretty amazing, but it's missing something. I will fix that.